Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Developer tab in Excel. Let's get started. To add a Developer tab, right-click on any tab name up here. Then click on the option Customize the ribbon to see this pop-up window. Look on the right-hand side where you can find a list of tab names. And you'll see all the tabs you can add. We want to add a Developer tab, so we'll select that one. Click on OK, and that's it. The tab's there, and we can start using everything it offers. To have a closer look at it, watch our other video tutorials. If you use the steps to add a Developer tab, it'll always be at your disposal even if you restart the Excel application. And before we wrap it up, let's take a look at how to remove the Developer tab from the ribbon, in case you don't need to display it among the tabs anymore. We'll basically do the same as before. Right-click on a tab name, click on Customize the ribbon, now unselect the Developer tab, and click on OK. Done! The tab has been removed from the ribbon. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.